Now more than ever, there's a lot to worry about as you try to keep your business running. The EBizCharge Customer Payment Portal is an online invoicing platform that takes away some of that stress by making it easy to bring in revenue more quickly. It offers your customers a slick, polished, and convenient way to pay you online at any time from any device. Once your customers log in, they can pay off invoices with credit cards or ACH, add, edit, and delete cards on file, and access or export paid invoice history. EBizCharge automatically syncs invoices with your accounting system. You can also set up an email payment reminder to automate the collections process and get notified when a payment is received. With EBizCharge's PCI compliant security, customers can enter their payment directly into the portal, so you don't have to store sensitive information. Personalize your portal by uploading your company logo and colors. You can also choose which payment methods to accept, edit email templates, and more. Go to EBizCharge.com to set up a demo today.